Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when our mouse touchpad is not working in our Windows 10 or Windows 10 Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is to open the run window. During this whole video, we will be using our keyboard since our mouse is not working or touchpad is not working. So in your keyboard, please look for Windows and R key and then press them all together. And in here, once this run window is up on our screen, all we need to do is just to type devmgmt.msc. It's devmgmt.msc. Now once done, you can now click on OK or Enter. And once this device manager window is up on our screen, all we need to do is just to click on the tab key to select your computer and computer name or computer device. And the next thing you need to do is to click the down arrow. If you have the down arrow in your keyboard, please click on that, and then we will go to mice and other pointing devices. So please go to mice and other pointing devices, just keep on pressing and then click on the right arrow key, and then here the mice and other pointing devices will now be expanded. So you will see here the driver or the mouse driver that you have. So all you need to do is just to select it, and then once selected, please click on Enter, and you will be able to see the general tab, the driver tab, the details, and events. So all you need to do is just click again tab, and you will be able to click again tab, and you will now be able to select tab here. So please click on driver. So in the driver tab, you will see here driver details, update driver, the disabled device, and uninstall device. So in here, all we need to do is to go to update driver, and please use your tab key to go to the update driver option. So please press tab key until you reach the update driver option. So once we're in the update driver option, please click on Enter, and then you will now be able to see another window coming up. So here we are asked to how do we want to search for drivers. So just please click on the first option that says search automatically for drivers, and then click on Enter. And when it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you're good to go. Okay, so you can now press the close, press your tab key and then wait for it to reach the close button here, and then once you reach the close button, please click on Enter to close that one. And then once you updated now the driver, you can also uninstall that by just pressing again the tab key and then go click on uninstall device and then hit Enter. And if you see here this uninstall device window, all you need to do is just to select uninstall button and just leave the option that says attempt to remove the driver for this device, leave that unchecked so that your driver won't be deleted. So once you're done, just click on uninstall button here and then click on Enter. Okay, so since my touchpad is just working fine, then I will just close this one. So for example, you're on the stage that you have uninstalled the driver. All you need to do is just press again tab, and once you press tab, just press alt key and it will select the file. As you can see, it will select the file option in the very top part, and just use your right arrow key to go to action, and it will now select action. So once the action option is now highlighted, please click on Enter and then click again your down arrow key and then go to scan for hardware changes and then click on Enter, and it will now start reinstalling the driver that you have just uninstalled. And then just make a quick restart with your device, and then if it's still not working, then we can also go to human interface devices. So just click again your right arrow key, and here we need to look for touchpad option, this one, and with the same process, click enter and then go to driver tab. And once you see here the driver tab, please do the same process with what we did for the mice and other pointing devices. Please update driver and then uninstall and then go to action tab again. Okay, do the same process with what we did earlier and then just make a quick restart with your device and then you're good to go. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.